Hey guys, welcome back, and today we'll show you how to fix a ChatGPT network error as you can see listed here. So having this network error while just needing to use ChatGPT can be quite the hassle, but here I'll show you what worked for me in terms of fixing this network problem. So as you can see, I use Proton VPN as my daily VPN when doing anything online. What I had to do first is disconnect your VPN to reset the connection. Once I fixed my VPN connection and disconnected to it, you want to double check to make sure you have a stable internet connection. So whether you're connected through Wi-Fi or Ethernet, just make sure you got a stable one going. As you can see, I've double checked my internet settings, and then the next thing you want to do is go back to ChatGPT and go ahead and sign out of the account that you're currently logged into. Now, after signing out, go ahead and log back in with the exact same account that you just signed out of. What this does is that it resets the connection between your computer with the ChatGPT servers without a VPN. And there we go, ChatGPT is now perfectly working again for me. And all it really took was resetting my connection with my VPN, signing out, and re-logging back in with a fresh connection. Sometimes, all it really takes is to turn it off and back on again. And that's really it for now. If you learned something new, feel free to like and subscribe to this channel for more easy and quick tutorials. Thanks so much for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one.